Hello everybody, and I'm sorry I haven't made a video in a while. I'm sorry about that, but today we're going to talk about these fidget spinners. Yes, I finally going to do a video about it. So yeah. I'm going to put the camera right there. So, they're a pretty cool thing. My camera can capture it as good as it actually is, but they're pretty cool. Like, you can do fun tricks with them. That. And you can also do stuff like that. But at first I thought it was kind of a dumb trend. Not going to lie, because they're just spinny things. They just spin. They are very interesting. They hypnotize you very well. But they're just taking over the world. Now it's taking over Britain because of Dan TDM. So, and a lot of people pay attention to these more than their friends. So, I wanted to tell you that you should stop. Because first, the first thing I said before, which is you pay attention to these more than your friends. So, second thing is that they're just taking over the world because of no reason. And third thing is because a lot of other people have made fidget spinners because of the first company that made these. Now the first company is not getting any money. And that's bad. Because then they would be poor. So yes, stop it. Get some help. And that's all for today. And see you next time. Bye!